All right, today we're going to talk about a piece of software that is so fundamental. You've probably already used it today. I mean, it's on pretty much every computer, phone, and tablet out there. Yep, we're talking about the mighty word processor.
So let me ask you something. What's the one tool that a student scrambling to finish an essay, a CEO firing off a company-wide memo, and a novelist deep in their next masterpiece all have in common? What do they all use probably every single day? You guessed it, the word processor.
Okay, so let's break it down. What is a word processor really? I mean, at its heart, it's basically the digital blank page, right? It's that empty space on your screen where all your ideas start to come to life.
Yeah, I mean, the technical definition is right here. A software app used to create, edit, format, and print documents. Simple enough, but it's really the engine behind so much of what we do, isn't it? Whether you're just writing a quick letter or putting together a huge multi-page report, this is the tool we all use to get our thoughts down in a clear, organized way.
And you know, it's so much more than just typing, right? We're way past the idea of a simple digital typewriter. These things are now full-on dynamic spaces for your ideas. You can drop in images, build out complex tables with data, even embed links. Your plain old text document can literally become this rich, interactive page.
So what's the secret sauce? What really gives these tools all their power? Well, I like to think of it as your personal writing toolkit. So let's open up that toolkit and see what's inside. All the little features that help you turn messy, raw text into something polished and professional. First up, the absolute basics. And these are things we take for granted now, but man, they were revolutionary. We're talking cut, copy, and paste. And of course, the magical, life-saving undo button. Just think about it. These simple commands took away the fear of making a mistake you couldn't fix. It totally changed the game for how we write and edit. Okay, so once you've got your ideas down, it's time to polish them up. And we all kind of follow the same steps, right? First, you get the formatting right. You pick your fonts, you set the alignment, make it look good. Then it's cleanup time. You run that spell check and grammar check to catch any mistakes. And for that final touch, a super powerful tool like Find and Replace lets you change something across the entire document in like a second. It's this process that takes a draft to a final finished piece. But that toolkit, it goes way deeper. Now we're getting into the serious power-ups, things like tables for organizing data, or dropping in graphics to make your point visually. And get this, collaboration tools that let you and your whole team work on the same document at the same time. Then you've got things like mail merge to automate boring, repetitive stuff, and version history, which is basically a time machine for your document. These aren't just features, they're total productivity boosters. All right, so who are the big names in this space? I bet you've heard of pretty much all of them. Each one kind of has its own unique flavor, its own special thing it's known for. Let's meet the major players. Okay, first up, you've got the heavyweight champion, Microsoft Word. I mean, it's pretty much the standard used all over the world. But then Google Docs came along and completely changed the game with its awesome real-time collaboration, all in the cloud. If you're in the Apple world, you've got the super clean, sleek Apple Pages. And hey, let's not forget the free and open source options like LibreOffice Writer, which is incredibly powerful. And there's also WPS Office Writer, which is a big player and known for being really compatible with Word files. So, okay, we've talked about what it is, and we've seen all the cool things it can do. But so what? Why does this matter so much? Well, this is the big one. Let's really dig into how this one simple tool completely revolutionized, everything. How we write, how we work, how we communicate. You know, to really get how good we have it, you have to look back at what came before. Think about a typewriter. A single typo, just one, could mean you have to retype the entire page. Seriously, formatting was this clunky, rigid process. Now, editing is instant. Formatting is totally flexible. You've even got a little assistant checking your spelling and grammar as you go. The jump in creative freedom and just plain efficiency, it's absolutely massive.
And the benefits just keep stacking up, way beyond just fixing typos. We're talking about effortless teamwork, where multiple people can jump into the same file. It's about how easy it is to organize huge documents. It's that peace of mind you get when your work is automatically saved. And think about templates. You can create something that looks amazing and professional in just a few clicks. These are total game changers.
So when you really step back and look at the whole picture, it's pretty clear. That whole journey, from staring at a scary blank page all the way to having a finished, polished document you're proud of, that entire process is powered by this one amazing tool. It really is the quiet, unsung hero of our digital world. There's no doubt about it, these tools have completely reshaped the act of writing itself. So that leaves us with one last, really interesting question to think about. What's next? With AI getting smarter every day and all sorts of new tech popping up, you have to wonder, how is our relationship with that digital blank page going to evolve from here?